Prepare cleaning solution, moisturizing solution, a syringe connected to the ink tube, and a container. Use the syringe to draw the cleaning solution. Insert the other end of the ink tube onto the printhead nozzle. Push the syringe to flush the printhead with the cleaning solution. Observe the outflow. The liquid stream should be smooth and continuous without breaks. Draw the moisturizing solution. Repeat the flushing steps. Flush out the cleaning solution inside the printhead. Again, observe the outflow. The liquid stream should be smooth and continuous without breaks. If the liquid stream shows breaks or irregularities, contact a technician for further assistance.